Hi Taurus, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and it's time for another love bite for you. Taurus, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Taurus and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Taurus, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Taurus, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us. Subscribe to the channel. Become part of us. We welcome you in. All right. So, Five of Cups, Three of Wands, Three of Pentacles, the Tower in reverse, Ace of Wands, Judgment, the Six of Wands, Three of Swords, and the Six of Cups. So mixed bag here, Taurus. And overall energy of this reading is maybe you're being a bit nostalgic and looking at all, the investment put, the years went by, the time wasted, or just not feeling very happy about all the effort that you've maybe put in and never really seen the fruits of that, right? I do see a lot of regret and sorrow for the same. Looking back and feeling, that feeling that you get that things really didn't go the way you had planned, maybe. Maybe looking out now to see what else is out there. But don't worry about it, Taurus. Center of my spread, I have the Ace of Wands. So that fire is still there. The fire for a creative, passionate, new beginning is still there. Okay? So don't worry about it. Let me just see the cards. Something is kind of disrupting. You really don't want to go back to it. I don't think you want second chances here. You want to have victory in your life. I think you've been through a lot of heartbreak, even though you still kind of have those feelings now, looking back at the past and wondering if things could have been different. I do see that the fire is still lit and you are on the go. Okay? So before I start clarifying these cards, Taurus, I'm going to take a few dialogue message cards, and whoever you're thinking about, in this read, let's see if you and your person could say something to each other now. Taurus and their person. Taurus and their person. Okay. Let's take a few more from here. Taurus and their person. We'll take a couple more from here, Taurus. Taurus and their person. All right, Taurus, good to go. Let's start your reading. The first card I have here says, "You were always my desire, the love of my life. But I didn't tell you. It shocked the hell out of me when you told me you felt the same, as I never expected that. You're all I want, but I just don't feel good enough for you. I try to detach and let go, but then I get flooded with telepathy, dreams, and your strong sexual energy which takes me over. Damn it. I showed you how much I loved you through our kisses. They say if you want to know if someone loves you, it's in their kiss. Darling, my love for you was in my kiss. I can't ever kiss another like that, and the thought of you kissing someone else breaks my heart. You are my daily motivation. Your soul, the essence of who you are, inspires me and helps me navigate the path of life. Our love will never die because true love lasts forever. Loving you is the most natural yet scary thing I've ever done. I want to protect you, steal your smiles, stop your tears, wake up to kiss you every morning. I want to show you that you're the best thing that's happened to me. I'm working through issues with my family. I'm under so much stress. I will wait for you as long as I have to. I want to welcome you into my family. You are half of my soul family. I want us to have our own family together. I took an oath to God and you to stand by your side for eternity. I made a promise to find you in every lifetime and to take your hand in eternal spiritual marriage. Our union is sacred and divine. Okay, so Taurus, if these cards are resonating with you, let's start clarifying these cards. Be mindful that this could be your energy. This could also be the energy of the person you're connected with. Okay? So before I do that, Taurus, I'm going to take an angel blessing card. See how my angels are going to bless this reading with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Emotions. Yes, I did feel some very, very strong emotions that either you're going through or your person is going through, but maybe both, the two of you. I think something is ending, something is beginning. It's a mixed bag out here, okay? So yes, it does kind of put you into a emotional roller coaster sometimes, these changes. So for Taurus Spirit, what's this 5 of Cups? 5 of Cups. 5 of Cups for Taurus. Yes, I think you're ending something, or at least this card came out sideways, though I never take sideways cards, but this one really made sense to me immediately. I think you're in the process maybe of dropping something. You could be sitting on the fence right now. You could still be you haven't dropped it completely, but you are planning to. But, when you are about to get over something or leave something behind, there is a bit of nostalgia which is connected, because there are good memories, bad memories, and a lot of regrets about how things didn't pan out. You do want to come out of this place, yes, because now I think you've lost the love, whatever thing that is that you're now looking back towards, or whatever didn't give you that happiness. You're realizing now that you've lost the love for this past thing, and you don't want to sit around in this sadness and regret for the rest of your life. You've already been through this, right? This is the same card, 5 of Cups, 5 of Cups reverse. 5 of Cups is looking back, feeling bad, and the 5 of Cups reversed is like, I don't want to be sitting in this place forever. I've lost my love and my passion for this, and it's time now. It's time for me to now end my burden. So 3 of Wands, Spirit. 3 of Wands. You're looking forward. Yes, I think you've made up your mind. Your mind is clear. You are now thinking about your future maybe. You're thinking more with your head than your heart now, and saying, hey, enough is enough. What I deserve and I desire is happiness in my life. I need a partner who I can unite with and have this for a once, quality of life. And yes, I'm going to look out towards my future now. See what else is out there. 3 of Pentacles. You want happiness. You want working together. This is what you're, moving towards, Taurus, which is a fabulous thing. You want somebody who you can really work with, right? Not against. You want somebody to work with. You want to feel that happiness, emotional happiness, which gives you the sense of victory. Something that will make you really feel good about life, about living, about your everyday activities, finding joy in little things. So, yeah, this is the amount of love you have in your heart. You have a lot of love, and you've started, I think this process has started, Taurus, since you started going into self-love. So, since you started thinking of what's going to make you happy. And the self-love is now motivating you to move on to better things in life. Tower in reverse. Tower in reverse. Whatever you are trying to end here, Taurus, I don't think it's completely ended. Yes, the tower moment probably has happened, but right now the dust is still settling. You're still kind of a bit stressed out about this tower falling, right? Because that tie is still not broken completely. There's a fear of change here. As passionate as I see that you are about moving ahead, you're a little afraid of a complete ending, maybe, fearing that you'll be judged or you'll get bad karma if you, go on to pursue your own dreams, maybe. But the fire is lit. Nothing can be done here, Taurus. Look at this. You're showing up as the Queen of Wands and the Ace of Wands. You're looking good, you're feeling good, your heart is full of fire, passion, love. You have so many dreams to accomplish, but there's still that little bit of stress, little bit fear of the change that's coming upon you. You fear that, you'll get judged. Though part of you is looking forward to maybe reuniting with somebody special, maybe who's coming in for you, or friends or family, starting anew. You're quite clear about it. You're quite clear about where you're going. You know exactly what you want your new life to look like. You want this happiness, you want this joy, you want this celebration. Then Spirit, why is the Judgment card in reverse? Judgment card. See, this is the problem here, Taurus. You fear maybe bad karma. You fear people are going to judge you. You fear it'll bring you bad luck. You are still kind of going back and forth here, see? Going back and forth between this and this. Should I go back? Should I go back? Should I move forward? Will I be judged? That little bit of scare is still there. 6 of Wands. 6 of Wands, Spirit. I think whatever past person that you are kind of dropping now or not fighting for, it actually makes you feel rather good. In heart of hearts, it makes you gives you a sense of purpose. It makes you want to work towards something new in your life. It gives you a sense of victory, right? This is the memories now of this past thing have kind of been ruined here, or the memories aren't that good. Maybe half your mind kind of says, I don't want to work towards it, I don't want to fight for it. But half your mind maybe still goes on to say, I can do it. If I work, if I put in more work, or if I put in more effort, maybe I can still be victorious in this. This in between, juggling that you're doing with your own soul, with your own mind, and with your own heart is, I think, what's leading you to feel this heartbreak 24/7. Indecision. 3 of Swords, Spirit. 3 of Swords. 3 of Swords. Here you are again, torn between two options. Torn between two options. Standing at crossroads with a broken heart. Right? Should I not? Should I go left? Should I go right? I have the world in my hands, but I'm not moving because maybe I should move towards somebody or something that can really provide me that happiness that I seek, or maybe I should give something else a second chance here. 6 of Cups, Spirit. What's the 6 of Cups? 6 of Cups. This is a battle. This is a battle between your head and heart. And half your mind wants to go towards somebody who's going to feel like this, feel like a soulmate. Half your mind says, no, I have to go back. This person from my past. And that is the demotivating factor of your life. This big Ace of Wands that I was talking about, which was the central focus point of my reading, which I got so excited about for you, you again turned it into the, reverse. Why? Because you're not moving. Absolutely not. You're stuck. You're not taking charge. This is a battle between you and yourself. There's nobody else that I see in this reading except you Now feeling, oh my God, so much time, effort, so much of investment was done here. What should I do? What should I do? Feeling all is lost. Feeling going through a very, very dark time, I would say. No wonder this card of emotions came. You have to deal with your own emotions here, Taurus. Right? You're stuck between, you know what. Okay, so I'm not going to elaborate on that. You've got your message. If this is your reading, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So, till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.